2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.